Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Oh my holy God. Hi guys. Stephen Unfold from Mindful Fortune, creating fortunes for the future. Today's date is the 6th of September 2024, and we're getting close to Christmas. Today we're going to look at some trading indicators. And of course, we're using investing.com. And some of these data and indicators are very, very productive indeed. And I'm just going to show you one of the new ones that I have found that is showing remarkable results if you want to use these signals as part of your trading indicators, of course. Now, of course, you got to join invested.com and you can use your Google account to join and enter in. But firstly, do subscribe to my YouTube video. You'll be doing me a huge favor. And if I make lots more of these informative videos in the future regarding making a lot of money in the future for yourself, then you will have an indication that Stephen has made another video. Would you like to come and have a look at it? And that's the key point. If you subscribe, you'll get a notice at your end when I make these videos. So let's get on with it. Of course, you're going to have what is called a now, hold on, let me delete these off first. But that's the final result of the, once you set up your indicators. So let me delete this and just show you exactly how to set this up first. Take that out of the way, take the MACD and the RSI. Now, basically, when you come into investing.com, you want to have this. You'll have to click on chart and get up the real-time chart for the assets that you want to track. In this case, we're tracking or trading with gold, which is the term here. The symbol is XAU USD. And basically, that's the basic model you're going to get. You can have candlesticks or you can have the line chart. Entirely up to you. But we're going to use candlesticks. And first one you need to upload is go up here, click on this, bring up the indicator, and this is the new one that I just found out, and it's Keltner channels. Bring that up. Now I'm going to show you how to reset the parameters of it, format it. MACD, of course, and the last one is where are we? Stochastic RSI. Once you have these free signals up, and I'll explain a little bit more about them, and you got to reformat the Kirchner. Go to format and oh, come on, where are we? Get your cursor onto these free blue lines. Format and change that to 30 or 40. It takes away a lot of the noise, but I'm going to use 40 for now. And it gives us that signal. Now, basically, this particular signal is very, very good. These free lines, and as you can see, the price range for the day has been above these free indicators. When that shows, that just shows a good, strong indication that the market's going up with gold. Now, if it's, let me take to an hour. If it's below it, and of course, as you notice, it drags the price down. It's showing us the price is going down. So in this case, this is a 1 hour chart now with gold. It shows here it's above. So most of my trading from this day on to the end of the weekend, which is tomorrow at 8 a.m., will basically be buying gold, only because of what it's showing. And it has been quite productive. Now, this MACD also helps us. When it's up the top here, you know it's up the top, so somewhere along the line it's got to come down. And that also gives you reference before you open up your trade or you're trying to close the trade. So you use these two to precisely pinpoint exactly when you want to close your trade. So at this point, I'll just wait for RSI to come up a bit further. And if you have open positions, then you can close it and take your profits at that area when the RSI reaches up the resistance line. Now, at this point, I wouldn't recommend to do any closing positions we can probably take some profits, of course, but basically let it run because the trend looks pretty strong to continue up. As long as the price range is above, of course, and you can see it's well above it. It's not in between it or in the middle of it. It's well above it. It shows us good, strong trend. But of course, now if you have a look here, it has reached these resistance for the last one, two, three, four, fifth. This is the sixth time it has reached it, and that began run about the 25th of August. 26th of August. Hold on, let me drag us back. Oh no, it went way back here. So that's something to be aware of. The market can easily change and come down, and I'd wait for the RSI to reach the resistance and make your consideration. But it looks like it's pretty high, and the market will continue, I think, to go up. $25, $2,500 for an ounce of US gold. And that's the new indicator. Anything above it, very strong that the market's going up. Anything below it, it's going to drag the market down. So consider that. Use that as one of your tools for trading. And just let me show you some of my trading results so far. It's been productive. What's the date today? 6th. This is from yesterday's trading, I think, on the 4th. This is showing New Zealand day, and this is showing American time frame. Now scroll up. Oh, there was one loss there. There's a close, but most of the trade has been productive. Just using those two signals. But anyway, I hope I've given you some indication. And if you want to join one of these trading platforms, there should be a link to one of these highly recommended platforms. And if you want to trade on the financial market, and just using indicators. But basically, if you've never done any trading on the financial market before, do not put any of your real money into these systems until you practice. Practice is the key. And if you do sign up to a trading platform, use their demo account. And only if you demo, it's proving to be consistent, making profit, then you can probably consider making some real money, changing your demo account to real money. But I hope I'm giving you some ideas, just using indicators to help you trade successfully. So as I said, I'm going to be considering probably closing all my trades up here. Hold on, let me go back. I have got some open positions at the moment. Yes, I have. Mainly buy position. Where was I? And it has come down a little bit, but I'm going to continue holding on to my position because of that fact. Okay, now I think that's all we can show you today. But anyway, this is Stephen Arford from Arford Fortune, creating fortunes for the future. We love you, God loves you, and trade successfully using indicators. Very important. Practice is the key.